Okay. Welcome to the Universal Floor Tester startup procedure. We're going to take a few moments to go over some of the initial things that you need to do in order to get the machine up and running and operational. First, turn the power switch from the off position to on. Wait a moment while it begins to load. Once the machine has loaded, it'll either be in the manual mode or the auto mode, depending on the position of the selector switch. In order for any machine operation to occur, we must reset the e-stop condition. Check to ensure that the e-stop switch is out by rotating it clockwise. Press the reset button in order to reset the machine. This will clear all messages on the screen and tell you that the machine is ready for operation. In the manual mode, we have the ability to control the up and down position of the lifter. We have the ability to open and close the crack, and we have the ability to manually rotate the wheel. To lift the counterweights, press and hold the up button. Release the button to stop lifting. In order to get to your weight change position, press and hold the down button. Motion will stop when a sensor detects that the wheels are on the floor. It is at this position that you can go in and select which weight you wish to choose. Lift it up. To change the weight, lift the guard. Remove the pin and select a new position. The reset button must be pressed after opening and closing the guard before any machine function can resume. At this point, we can lift in order to separate the weights slightly. From here we can go into automatic mode. Here we have the ability to do a crack cycle, a wheel cycle, and to set the initial size of the crack. For the wheel cycle test, press wheel. Select wheel test setup to set the number of RPMs that you wish to run your test for. Go back to main, reset any previous count data, and if you wish to run this test, press run. The test completes once you get to the current number of revolutions that you set. To set a specific crack size, Go to crack test setup. Set a number to the size of the crack that you wish to go to. Please note that the number that you enter is in multiples of 0.1 millimeter increments. So this represents a crack size of 1 millimeter. Set the speed at which you wish to open or close your crack. Go to main, crack set, run. In a moment, the machine status will change to tell you that the test is currently running.
Too slow to record the movement.
To pause the test at any point in time, press pause test. To change to a wheel cycle test, press wheel. To do a complete crack cycle, go to crack cycle after you've set up the initial conditions in the crack test setup. In case of an emergency, you stop.